This is a typical kind of instance where I would be requested to write a song for a TV show or for a film. And this is one of those points I'll talk about a lot because it's a stretch, and a good stretch, when we write outside our typical frame of reference, and or we aim at a slightly different target audience. And this request was for a kids' film. Fingers crossed the song will get in. But the request or the desire in that kind of scene is, can we have a song that's encouraging a kid? And the initial thing was like, why don't you write from a parent or a big brother or someone helpful to sing to this kid? And so originally I had this song, and it was called The Champion. And the request I was given, a request I received, was from a director of a film looking for a song, and would I write a song? Yes, I would love to write a song if possible. And a song that encouraged someone, a younger person, going through difficult moments. And so originally I wrote the song, and I called it The Champion. And no one said it was easy. I'll play the verse, because the verse I kept. So here we go. Here's the verse.
No one said it was easy. No one said life was fair. There'll be disappointments, but no more than we can bear.
Then we get into the song. I stay the same. We all fall down, we get back up, we live to fight another day. That's going to stay. But this is the part of the song where I realized that the end in mind, I understood the job. I understood, the kind of situation, but the tone and context of my voice or my lyrics I felt were wrong, and they were just like I was talking down to someone. So don't give up. Don't you throw in the towel when you know the fight ain't over. My grandmother again would be disappointed in my lyrics there. You're a champion. You're the comeback kid. I know you're going to see this through. Hey, I believe in you. Two things bugged me about this. I felt I was speaking down to the person, and I went I wouldn't maybe appreciate that. I'd like it if someone included hey, we all fall down. And continue that sentiment. We all fall down, we get back up, we live to fight another day. We don't give up. So I changed it. Now the other thing that bothered me too was this, hey, I believe in you, is just so cheesy. And there was no hook in it. So in my fluid motion of adjusting the end in mind thing was get rid of that, and I kiss at the end. This is how it ended up. And I changed the title of the song to You Got Me and I Got You. Yes, my grandmother will be disappointed once again in my grammar. And I kept this, we all fall down, we get back up, we live to fight another day. But now we've got, we don't give up, we don't throw in the towels. Let me play that to you so in context. We come into the pre-chorus, which is this area here.
We can bear. We all fall down and we get back up. We live to fight another day. But we don't give up. We don't throw in the towel when we know the fight ain't over. We're the champions, we're the comeback kids. I know we're gonna see this through. 'Cause you got me and I got you.
For me, that's a better ending. And also the hook, you got me and I got you. Incorrect grammar. I know, talk about this a lot when I teach grammar and songwriting, is I don't give a toss about grammar when I'm singing. The words have to fit well, and that's catchy. You got me and I got you. I feel like it belongs now in that territory of a song for a movie. I can imagine in Sound Toys. No, that's plugins I have. Toy Story, a Toy Story, like a Randy Newman song. And it's that thing about, we're in this together, we're including each other, and, you got me and I got you. Anyway, that's an example of making adjustments on the way because I was slightly off. And you can do that all the way to the end. I pitched this and they like it already. But if they didn't like it, well, I would change it again to find out till I got it right. Anyway, hope that helps.